conclusion to any case?
Now, sometime on Monday, I spoke to the head of the secretariat here, Raphael Tuju, and I was asking him about the criteria that the team is using to determine some of these cases. Remember, in some instances, the petitioners are merely challenging results from specific polling stations, while in some instances, the petitioners are challenging the overall results from the tallying centers, and therefore the verdicts from the team have been, in some instances, an order for recount of the votes. In other instances, there have been orders for repeat voting, in some of the polling stations that are in contestation. But of course, it is important to note that quite a number of those that, as I mentioned, are already seeking the independent candidate ticket with the registrar of political parties, that there have been reports that some of those that filed petitions at their respective political parties are merely seeking rationalization of their argument that they were rigged out to, of course, use that as a campaign tool before the electorate come the August elections. But of course, most of those that have brought their petitions here argue that they have strong cases and that they were the persons that ought to have been declared the winner in the party primaries, while others argue that whatever happened on that day was not free and fair as had been envisioned by the Jubilee Party Secretariat when they were coming up with a schedule for the party primaries, and therefore very, very varied, voices from those that have brought their cases before the Jubilee Party here, the tribunal that, of course, as I said, is hearing some 65 of the petitions today. Betty.
Thank you very much, Murimi Mwangi, for that update there. He is joining us from the Jubilee Party